Once upon a time in a sunshiny little village, there lived 5 super cheerful friends. Can you guess who? The Love Buckets. First up was Bree, who loved peace and listening to the wind. Shh, can you hear it? Then there was Sunny, who giggled at everything and always found the silliest, happiest joy. Harmony was the magical one. Her heart glowed with kindness like a sparkly rainbow. Rocco was the brave explorer, always ready to lead the way. Adventure awaits. And Fern could talk to plants and hear the secret whispers of the trees. Wow. One bright morning, Harmony woke up with a twinkle in her lid and shouted, "Let's go on a magical nature adventure! I heard the forest has a super secret to share." So off they went, and guess what? They invited their 3 creative friends, Snap, the photographer bucket, who loved snapping pictures of bugs and fluffy clouds. Splat, the painter bucket, painted with flower petals and squishy mud. Splat, splat, splat. Off they rolled, wobbling through tall grass and sunbeams. As they entered the forest, the trees shimmered and whispered.
Welcome, love buckets.
Rocco spotted a glowing trail and said,
Let's follow the light.
Bree stopped to listen to a bubbling stream. Sunny chased butterflies, laughing the whole time. Fern gently touched a fern, and it waved back. Harmony's heart glowed brighter with every step. They reached a clearing filled with glowing mushrooms and dancing fireflies. A soft voice floated through the trees.
To love the earth is to learn from her.
So they listened. Snap took a photo of a bee on a flower. Splat painted the sunset with berry juice and joy. The forest sparkled with color and light.
Everything is connected.
And we can care for it, together. As the sun dipped low, the love buckets rolled home, hearts full and glowing. They had learned that nature is full of magic, and when you see it with love, it shares its secrets with you.